Are you gonna film my mess up? Okay, you're already doing it. Thanks, Mac. You're not supposed to show this part.
Hi, I'm Andrew.
Hi, I'm Nick.
Today, we're building with Andrew and Nick.
Nick and Andrew. Part 2. Building IKEA furniture. Follow along.
Okay, so today, Nick and I went to IKEA yesterday, which here's a little highlight of. In IKEA. No bugs are getting you in there, buddy. Now Nick's building IKEA furniture, which is fun. Always fun to build IKEA furniture.
I'm not messing it up either. Are you gonna film my mess up? Okay, you're already doing it.
I'm not messing it up either.
And we're gonna taking everything off these shelves, and we're gonna have a shelf come up here. We're gonna have chairs and tables, and a new little filing cabinet thing over there. And there's just a lot going on
tigers
here.
and bears.
So that's the goal today in this show of Andrew building things.
Did he say it wrong again? Okay, so I'm building Bedbo, and I'm struggling already, and we're about like 3 seconds in. So I hope it turns out good. I need assistance from Mac, camera woman. Okay, that's all. Mac, help. Pure gold. It turned into the Nick show. Shh. Just being my highlights. Or low lights. Aww. Hey, do any of you understand? Can you see these things? I think they're pointless. Because they just like fill holes and that's it. For why? That's what they're for.
I told you.
They go in here.
I told you that.
Whoops. Need directions. Okay, confused. One side of Bedbo done. Bedbo part 1. Can you see? That is what I am talking about. This chair is beautiful. We got green ones. There's black, green, blue, and I want to say like a cream color, but that might be a lie, and Andrew would roast me if I lied. You'll see how good my Bedbo building was. Ah.
All right, Nick.
I've been taking over the show, man. I'm doing it.
Unboxing.
You're doing a good job.
I'm doing the thing.
And now Andrew.
You're doing good.
Yeah, it's comfy, huh?
Pull that, open that box.
I'm quitting.
You're quitting the show?
You're quitting. You're quitting, I'm quitting. Once I build this, I get a
Pull that box open
Once I
there.
do this, I get a 15-minute break.
And then you're gonna wanna unwrap
I'm not
it.
gonna open it just because you said that.
You're gonna wanna unwrap it. And then you put the legs on it.
Haha!
You're doing a good
I
job.
have to open it.
You're catching up to my amount of work of stacking stuff on this table over here.
What? That is? The extent of it?
You're catching up.
We are on to chair number 2.
And maybe that's something that you just mentioned in,
Vedbo,
you know,
no
the
directions.
videos or whatever.
We love IKEA, sponsor us.
Think about commercials being on TV.
Give us free furniture for our studio.
Stuff up.
Where's mother?
I'm just gonna let you put
Oh
this together.
my god. It's in my hand. That was serious. You probably thought I was joking, but I really wasn't.
We're smarter, not hotter.
Right, Andrew? Yes.
Very carefully disassemble this stuff. We're gonna use this later.
Very carefully disassemble this.
They call me Super Duper Mr. Cooper.
Super duper stormtrooper.
This should be an IKEA commercial. Hey, I tell people to sponsor us. Kohl's, call me.
Kohl's. Kohl's. Bed Bath and Beyond.
Whoever wants to compete with IKEA, we'll say this shit's from you.
Are you gonna cut the tags off these?
There's a tag, it's nice.
It's.
You didn't tell me that you posed for the IKEA directions. Call me on my landline.
Call me.
Try to catch me.
Why didn't Drake say that? You used to call me on my landline.
Used to call me on my landline.
Late night when you
Late night
supper.
when I missed your call. Want what?
You want bed bow?
Yeah, stack them.
Serious?
Yeah, stack them. So when it falls apart, I can blame you. I'm putting together the Bulig. Bull.
It's Bulig.
Depends on what nationality you are.
It's Bulig.
Bulig. Poor shell.
We have to make 10 of those, by the way.
God damn it. Oh, yeah, these are designed nice.
Calyx. Whenever I was little, I had calyx in my hair. 2 of them.
Get the bamboo ones. That'd be cool, Andrew. Spend $1,000. They weren't actually that much. IKEA's good priced.
IKEA's nice.
What do you think IKEA stands for?
Ooh. I know everything always.
Here's what we're gonna do. Everybody watching this, drop it below what IKEA stands for. What do you think it stands for? It's an acronym. Basket done.
Oh my god, it's about time. Yay!
Well, I'm gonna take a break. This is made of a fine bamboo from the shelves of IKEA. I kill everyone's aspirations. How many more of these do we have?
9.
I gotta go to the bathroom. Nick and I ate at a very fine restaurant while visiting IKEA. And what was it called, Edward?
Bar Louie.
Bar Louie. Very good wings.
Very good Philly cheesesteak.
Jalapeno honey wings.
Bourbon
And
barbecue.
Bourbon barbecue and a fine cheesesteak dip. And a nice au jus onion
Yeah, sauce.
holding sauce. Bar Louie. Call me.
Nobody's gonna call him.
Why do they have all these on here? I have to go through and take every single one off. You're killing my aspirations! I'm still waiting on HGTV to call me.
Yeah, what's up with that? What's up with
See?
that?
Now the Food Network should call. We're trying to diversify your networks, okay?
Networks, plural.
Food, you want to compete with HGTV. I think they're owned by the same person. Who cares? Them. I mean, either one of you is good. Call me. Are you done with that yet?
No, bro. Are
I've
you
put
done?
together almost 2 of these. Are you trying to punch me?
Hose balls.
This is Holly. And now it's building stuff with Andrew and Holly. And Nick in the background.
Thought that I just lost my hammer.
My holes are off. I keep jabbing the edge of it. Oh, there it is.
Oh, there he goes.
There it was. Holly's got
Oh, he's gonna be in the corner like this.
Holly's got nice posture. Call me, chiropractors.
Yeah, they're supposed to be tight, nice and tight, like this one. This one just kind of.
Because is that one supposed to be where the top of the thing goes?
Holly's competing for your job, Nick.
No, she's on step 1. I ain't got no worries. I ain't got no worries. Huh?
Step 2.
You're on step 2.
IKEA's killing my aspirations for sure. Oh my god, I'm like a professional. I'm wearing Target pants with Target shirt and a Target shoes. How's it going over there, Nickel?
It's going.
Nickelback? Holy sh! IKEA gave me an extra washer. Sometimes you feel like a nut. Sometimes you don't. Yesterday, Nick picked up a candy bar off the cement outside of IKEA and ate it.
I ain't got no shame, so.
He said,
I actually didn't ever eat it.
this looks like it's good. He said, I ran over it with a cart. I'm not your buddy, guy.
I'm not your guy, pal.
I'm not your pal, friend.
I'm not your friend, idiot. Gosh. Look at what I did. Nice job, Andrew. He's doing great. Great work. I trained him well.
Ooh. And see, what this does here is create a nice little divide from the bottom to the other side of the room. And we're creating separate seating areas. IKEA, call me, seriously. I like
Oh!
that. He's dead. We lost him.
And he's gone.
Holy that looks good.
That looks good. That looks really good. Somebody get some blankets for these things.
Oh my God, look at it sliced through it like a buttery stick.
Nice job.
That's nice. Terrible design though for the sticker or the tag. Why would you put the tag there?
That was a hyperbola.
What's a hyperbola?
Shank!
Isn't it hyperbola?
I don't know. I just made it up. Here's a show, it's nice.
Yeah.
Thanks, buddy. Nick helps Andrew build things.
Andrew helps Nick build things. I was a star of that for a couple seconds.
Thanks for joining us on another episode of
Building with Nick.
This was kind of like baking.
It was really only me.
Nick helping Andrew build things.
Yep.
Your name still comes first in that situation. Andrew having Nick help build things.
Yeah, that's a good one.
All right, clean all this shit up.